Welcome back to English Daily Life. Today's episode helps you sound natural and confident while you listen and repeat real English. We're introducing emphasis expressions, the secret to making your English more alive and expressive. Ready to train your ears and boost your fluency? Let's begin.
I'll start right away. I'll start right away.
I'll start right away.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Can you show me the draft? Can you show me the draft?
Can you show me the draft?
That was a rough idea. That was a rough idea.
That was a rough idea.
I totally agree. I totally agree.
I totally agree.
We need a better timeline. We need a better timeline.
We need a better timeline.
He offered solid feedback. He offered solid feedback.
He offered solid feedback.
No way. No way.
No way.
Do you have the file? Do you have the file?
Do you have the file?
That's a smart move. That's a smart move.
That's a smart move.
I'm absolutely sure. I'm absolutely sure.
I'm absolutely sure.
Could we try another approach? Could we try another approach?
Could we try another approach?
The team made steady gains. The team made steady gains.
The team made steady gains.
Believe me, it matters. Believe me, it matters.
Believe me, it matters.
Who will handle this task? Who will handle this task?
Who will handle this task?
Don't overcomplicate things. Don't overcomplicate things.
Don't overcomplicate things.
She's bringing fresh energy. She's bringing fresh energy.
She's bringing fresh energy.
That's exactly it. That's exactly it.
That's exactly it.
How soon can you deliver? How soon can you deliver?
How soon can you deliver?
We need to rethink the intro. We need to rethink the intro.
We need to rethink the intro.
That idea might break the bank. That idea might break the bank.
That idea might break the bank.
I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed.
I'm really impressed.
Can you simplify that sentence? Can you simplify that sentence?
Can you simplify that sentence?
The results show strong growth. The results show strong growth.
The results show strong growth.
I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced yet.
I'm not convinced yet.
This could turn into a trend. This could turn into a trend.
This could turn into a trend.
Let's look at the bigger picture. Let's look at the bigger picture.
Let's look at the bigger picture.
You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me, right?
You're kidding me, right?
She compiled the final report. She compiled the final report.
She compiled the final report.
That's a bold choice. That's a bold choice.
That's a bold choice.
We should cut to the chase. We should cut to the chase.
We should cut to the chase.
Tell me more about that. Tell me more about that.
Tell me more about that.
Put it on my desk, please. Put it on my desk, please.
Put it on my desk, please.
That's totally unexpected. That's totally unexpected.
That's totally unexpected.
Who else is on the call? Who else is on the call?
Who else is on the call?
The plan needs more detail. The plan needs more detail.
The plan needs more detail.
That move was a game changer. That move was a game changer.
That move was a game changer.
I'm leaning toward yes. I'm leaning toward yes.
I'm leaning toward yes.
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
Please confirm the schedule. Please confirm the schedule.
Please confirm the schedule.
They built strong momentum. They built strong momentum.
They built strong momentum.
This is not an easy task. This is not an easy task.
This is not an easy task.
I'll give it my best shot. I'll give it my best shot.
I'll give it my best shot.
When did this update arrive? When did this update arrive?
When did this update arrive?
He's running a tight ship. He's running a tight ship.
He's running a tight ship.
We should prioritize user needs. We should prioritize user needs.
We should prioritize user needs.
I'm totally with you on that. I'm totally with you on that.
I'm totally with you on that.
The launch drew a lot of interest. The launch drew a lot of interest.
The launch drew a lot of interest.
Can we revisit that slide? Can we revisit that slide?
Can we revisit that slide?
That strategy might pay off. That strategy might pay off.
That strategy might pay off.
Let's move forward confidently. Let's move forward confidently.
Let's move forward confidently.
How do you want it formatted? How do you want it formatted?
How do you want it formatted?
She's setting clear expectations. She's setting clear expectations.
She's setting clear expectations.
That seems a bit risky. That seems a bit risky.
That seems a bit risky.
I wouldn't bet on it. I wouldn't bet on it.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Please send the updated link. Please send the updated link.
Please send the updated link.
He avoided the main question. He avoided the main question.
He avoided the main question.
This design looks user-friendly. This design looks user-friendly.
This design looks user-friendly.
I'm saying this seriously. I'm saying this seriously.
I'm saying this seriously.
We measured user engagement closely. We measured user engagement closely.
We measured user engagement closely.
That choice crossed my mind. That choice crossed my mind.
That choice crossed my mind.
Let's keep the tone professional. Let's keep the tone professional.
Let's keep the tone professional.
That was a lucky break. That was a lucky break.
That was a lucky break.
Can you walk me through it? Can you walk me through it?
Can you walk me through it?
We'll keep backups in place. We'll keep backups in place.
We'll keep backups in place.
I can't stress this enough. I can't stress this enough.
I can't stress this enough.
How does that sound to you? How does that sound to you?
How does that sound to you?
They delivered on their promise. They delivered on their promise.
They delivered on their promise.
I'm honestly surprised. I'm honestly surprised.
I'm honestly surprised.
We need more convincing data. We need more convincing data.
We need more convincing data.
She gave an earnest apology. She gave an earnest apology.
She gave an earnest apology.
That's not my area of expertise. That's not my area of expertise.
That's not my area of expertise.
Don't forget the small details. Don't forget the small details.
Don't forget the small details.
We'll go with your suggestion. We'll go with your suggestion.
We'll go with your suggestion.
Keep it short and sharp. Keep it short and sharp.
Keep it short and sharp.
This is a turning point. This is a turning point.
This is a turning point.
That's a powerful observation. That's a powerful observation.
That's a powerful observation.
I can guarantee results. I can guarantee results.
I can guarantee results.
Where should we publish this? Where should we publish this?
Where should we publish this?
He's taking on new responsibilities. He's taking on new responsibilities.
He's taking on new responsibilities.
That really surprised me. That really surprised me.
That really surprised me.
Do we have client approval? Do we have client approval?
Do we have client approval?
We need accurate measurements. We need accurate measurements.
We need accurate measurements.
She set a firm deadline. She set a firm deadline.
She set a firm deadline.
No doubt about it. No doubt about it.
No doubt about it.
Can you draft a one-line summary? Can you draft a one-line summary?
Can you draft a one-line summary?
The team delivered on time. The team delivered on time.
The team delivered on time.
That excuse won't fly. That excuse won't fly.
That excuse won't fly.
Let's run a quick rehearsal. Let's run a quick rehearsal.
Let's run a quick rehearsal.
I'm fully committed to this. I'm fully committed to this.
I'm fully committed to this.
The user interface feels intuitive. The user interface feels intuitive.
The user interface feels intuitive.
Please double-check the figures. Please double-check the figures.
Please double-check the figures.
We must adapt quickly. We must adapt quickly.
We must adapt quickly.
That's a bright idea. That's a bright idea.
That's a bright idea.
She stepped up when needed. She stepped up when needed.
She stepped up when needed.
I'll take care of the follow-up. I'll take care of the follow-up.
I'll take care of the follow-up.
This is high priority right now. This is high priority right now.
This is high priority right now.
I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more.
I couldn't agree more.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
Where do we go from here?
Great session, see you next time. Great session, see you next time.
Great session, see you next time. Nice job listening and repeating today. You're getting closer to real, natural English every time. Don't miss the next episode, we'll explore another way to make your English sound effortless.